What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have this 2019. It's a Chevy Silverado, and we're gonna program all keys lost. So the customer lost all the keys, including the key fob, and we're gonna program a new key fob for this truck, and also we're gonna program a new key. This is a transponder key, so it needs to be programmed to the truck. And to show you that it doesn't work, by the way, we got this key. We talked to the dealer. Using the original VIN number of the truck, you can get the key. Just they need your ID and all that information. So just to show you that this is not programmed, I'll try to start it, and as you can see, it doesn't start. So for this, we're gonna be using the IM608, and the first step is obviously connect the machine. We're gonna connect the machine, and also we're gonna have to first pull the the code from the car. We need a 4-digit code to program the key, so I'm gonna use this. I already selected the car, and to pull the code we need to use the USB cable. Yeah, I'm gonna show you right now. It's gonna tell me that I need the USB cable, and I need Wi-Fi as well. So I'm gonna scan the system in a little bit, but first I'm gonna install the cable. Right, so the cable is installed, and it says that I have to place the ignition on. It's already on, and it's gonna scan the whole car. So let's see. We see here we have codes. That's because we have the keys lost. So we're gonna do the password reading, and it says this feature recommends using the USB, or it may fail reading the pin code. So we just hit OK. Ignition is on. It's gonna check the network, and we're gonna hear a lot of flashes right now. The scanner is doing its thing. As you can see, I can hear it. And alright guys, so I already read the pin, and as you can see, it's right here. It takes a couple times to open the switch and close it, but I finally got it. So I press OK. I got the password reading. So now I'm gonna go to immobilizer, and I'm gonna put all keys lost. It says please close doors and open the switch. It's already on. Please input the code. I'll get the code. Right, so the code is here. We'll press OK, and we should see the immobilizer go off in a little bit. Press OK. Make sure the volume is checking ping, and this is gonna take 12 minutes. So we're gonna leave the ignition on for 12 minutes, and I'll be back once this is done. Alright guys, so it already finished, and this is the screen I get once it's done. As you can see, the light it's gone, and it's gonna configure the system. Just gonna give it some seconds. Just gonna wait until this thing is done. Please remove the key from the ignition. It's okay. Please open and close the driver door. Make sure all electrical appliances are off. Close this door is closed. Press OK. Insert the key that needs to be matched, and put it in the ignition switch on. Press OK. And we're gonna wait a little bit more. And the current key is complete the matching. Alright, so this should start the car now. Do you want to match the next key? And press no. Please switch the ignition off. Remove the key, and we press OK. Please open and close the door. Alright. Okay. And I'm gonna wait 45 seconds. So we're just gonna wait and wait. And now we're gonna place ignition on. Ignition is on. Press OK. And now let's wait. Turn the ignition off. Press OK. Turn the ignition on. Press OK. And one key is already match complete. Let's exit the system and we should be able to start the car now. And success, guys. The car is already programmed. Alright, this will be the end of the video, guys. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I will see you on the next episode of this channel. Bye.